Hello. Today we will guide you through how to integrate Systemi.io with Razorpay. In the next few minutes, we'll connect your Systema.io account to Razorpay so you can accept payments smoothly on your funnels and pages. Start on your System.io dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where we'll access all account configuration. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your account profile. Depending on your plan, this may show your avatar, initials, or a small user icon. Moving your mouse over this area will open a quick menu. If you don't see it right away, try hovering for a moment. The menu slides out from the profile area. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your global account settings where billing, domains, mailing, and payment options live. Once the settings page opens, locate payment gateways. It's typically listed in the sidebar navigation or displayed as a settings category. Click Payment Gateways to view the integrations available to you. On the Payment Gateways page, scroll until you see Razorpay. You'll find a Connect button next to it. Before you click, a quick tip. Make sure Razorpay supports your currency and country, and that your Razorpay account is fully activated. That helps avoid errors during authorization. When you're ready, click Connect. After you click Connect, follow the on-screen procedure exactly as it appears. Systemi.io may redirect you to Razorpay or open a secure pop-up requesting permission to link the two services. You may be asked to sign into your Razorpay account and confirm that you want to authorize access. Complete the prompts, then continue back to System.io. When the connection succeeds, the Razorpay card will typically show a connected or active status. If the page doesn't update automatically, give it a moment and refresh. A couple of helpful notes while you're completing the on-screen steps. Keep your Razorpay account open in a separate tab in case authorization asks you to confirm details. Ensure you have the correct owner or admin access, and avoid navigating away from the browser window until the process finishes. If you see any warnings about permissions, review them and proceed only when they match what you expect for payment processing. That's it. You started from the System.io dashboard, opened your profile menu, went into settings, selected payment gateways, chose Razorpay, and completed the on-screen authorization. Your System.io checkout pages can now use Razorpay to accept payments. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.